Okay, what I'm going to talk you through now is the different kinds of arrow rest. This is a simple stick-on leaf arrow rest. We don't actually sell these, as a few of our competitors do. We don't sell them because when they break, it's a hassle to pull them off and to replace them. You have sticky residue and to replace them. We do actually have these on our kids' range bows, but none of our adults' bows have a stick-on leaf arrow rest. The next one we have is our screw-in arrow rest. It's again a leaf arrow rest. Much better than the stick-on one because obviously first of all you can replace it, but furthermore you can actually make adjustments. So you can modify how deep it is inside your bow. You can modify which angle this is on. Some people prefer to have it like that, some people prefer to have it up. So you can actually make adjustments with the screw-in leaf arrow rest. The next one we have is our antelope arrow rest, which comes typically with our elite bows and in some cases our stalker compound bow. The arrow sits on top and the odd colour vein goes in between. That's our antelope arrow rest. The next one we have is our drop away. It's very similar to the antelope. The only difference is it's a little bit more sophisticated. The whole piece drops away when you actually shoot the arrow. So this whole piece drops away so that your arrow is free and clear with nothing infringing on its way. The next one we have is our 3-brush arrow rest. Again, we use it with the Asian standard arrows, and that is the Asian standard being the flight facing up. So for example, we have the odd face vein or flight facing up to shoot this arrow rest, and that would be the same for typically the antelope and the drop away. They would all be with the Asian arrow rest, and typically with the glue in or screw in leaf arrow rest you'd use the international standard arrows, meaning the flight faces left or right when it's actually knocked onto the string. The third one we have you can use with any type of arrow. This is our full brush arrow rest. So you can use helical fletched arrows, you can use Asian standard, you can use freehand standard, you can use international standard arrows. All the arrows will work with this. This is our full brush arrow rest. Hope that helps. Thank you.